So today we are in Rock Hill, South Carolina at a local car show here at one of the churches here in town. So let's see what awesome cars we can find today. Look at this Corvette. There we go. 1962 Chevy Corvette. That red interior, that black paint, nice. I know I could not fit in this one. Camaro SS. That blue interior. We have got a 1951 Chevy Bell Air, and this one has been done up nice. A little detail of the dice right there. This is a beautiful Bel Air. Love the paint scheme on it. Oh, look at the tire in the back. That's awesome. '68 Ford Mustang. Some of the original information on it right here. Oh, that's nice. You can just smell the leather inside. Look at this Mustang. Oh, I think it's a 67. Oh yeah, look at that. They had the music playing so loud I had to do a voiceover for this one. So we have a 1966 Pontiac GTO. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Had some old school brochures in there from Florida, which was really cool. Yeah, I mention this all the time, but the interiors in these older cars are so awesome. Love it. And then the trunk space on this GTO, look how big that trunk space is. So this is a 1987 Chevy El Camino SS. You don't really see El Caminos on the road anymore at all. This one's a pretty good example of a Chevy El Camino. Inside looks real comfortable. And let's take a look at the engine. I hate I didn't have Miss Carolina Car Dude with me at this car show. She loves Bel Airs, and this car show had some of the best examples of Bel Airs that we have seen yet. Just whoever redid this Bel Air did a fantastic, fantastic job. And of course, I love the Carolina blue paint job on it as well. And then the car next to it had the cool spiderweb grill on it. And I believe this one was for sale. There's a little look on the inside. And then let's take a look at the back side of this Bel Air. I believe we have a 1934 Ford. When I think of classic cars, this is something that always comes to my mind right away. And love the little pinstripe on the side. Got the number 34 right there. That's kind of a cool little touch. Let's take a look on the inside here. There's no way I'm fitting in this one probably either. What an awesome car though. I love Grand Nationals, but next to the Grand National, the Monte Carlo SS is probably my second favorite. And I just talked to the owner, and he has this beauty for sale. He said he would take $25,000 for it. And if I had 25 grand, this would be sitting in my garage. It's a classic 80s car, and these things couldn't fly. He said they only made 6,000 of this type of the Monte Carlo SS. What a great car. I mean, supercars are nice and all. I'd take this any day over any supercar. Got a 1937 Ford Coupe. Got some true classic cars here today at this car show. I got the classic music playing in the background. Corvette Stingray. We have a 2015 Corvette. It is for sale. They're asking $47,500 for it. This one could be yours. This 1935 Ford Coupe might be the sharpest one here. The red on this one just pops. Guys, that a beautiful car. That is immaculate.
All of our car shows throughout Rock Hill, and Joe Mosley is a guy that kept every car that he ever bought. And Joe lives to be about 89, 85. Joe passed away a few months ago, but I'm happy to say that Joe.
So not a huge car show, but still quite a few cars. So we're gonna end the video here. Let me know in the comments which one of the cars you saw in the video was your favorite. There's hard choices here today. Like, look at this one right here. See you guys later.